We just completed our third renovation with Corinthian Fine Homes when my husband came to me with a new idea to provide a golf simulator in our backyard for our 3 sons who play golf. And we've been very pleased with our decision to add this element to our home because we've seen how much use beyond the amount we anticipated or thought they might use it. When we originally chose Corinthian Fine Homes, what really stood out to us was the comfort we had in the people that we talked with. We had friends that had used them before and had nothing but wonderful things to say about them. We went through several renditions of what we wanted the golf pavilion or the golf house to look like. And through those revisions, I felt Corinthian was patient with us because we did go through several of them. Some of the drawings that we would look at, they just appeared flat. And we wanted something that was warm and welcoming when you came around the side of our house to our backyard. What I'm thrilled about with the project is that the pavilion is an extension of the home, but not a mimic copy of the home. It has its own identity, but has design features that tie back to the home. The window above the double doors entering the pavilion is featured on the house in 2 different areas of our home design. We chose lighting that is already incorporated on our home, and then choosing the brick. Getting the brick correct was a difficult job, and Christina Miller, one of the designers with Corinthian Fine Homes, did a perfect job of matching the brick of our almost 60-year-old home. And we wanted to incorporate other areas of the backyard that we could entertain friends and family, and people could pour out of our house and into the golf pavilion or congregate in the areas that we've created between the house and the pavilion. I'm really pleased that Corinthian Fine Homes could help us bring a dream, a thought that our family had, and make it a reality in our backyard, and that our kids now have a place to bring their friends and to foster their love for golf.